Alex and her brother Keith are having a lemonade stand. In their first hour, 4 people visited the lemonade stand and all purchased lemonade. The number of people who visited their stand doubled every hour after that. Can you write a function for this situation? How many people total will there be after 5 hours? To figure out this problem, you're going to need to know about exponential growth. Once you know about exponential growth, you'll be able to write a function and figure out how many people total will have visited the lemonade stand in 5 hours. This is the basic form of the function that we can use for exponential growth and for figuring out and measuring exponential growth. We have an a value, which is our initial value. We have a b value, which is our growth factor. And then x, our exponent, is often used to measure the amount of time, whether it be months, minutes, years, days, however we're calculating, we use that exponent for that. Now, we want to know how many people visited the lemonade stand. So let's call that P equals. Our initial value is 4 because that's the number of people that visited in the first hour. The problem told us that it doubled, the number of people doubled every hour. That's our growth factor. And the number of hours is x, which is 5. Now we can solve this problem. Let's evaluate the exponent first. 2 to the 5th is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 32. We can substitute that back into our problem. 4 times 32, and we would know that the number of people who visited the lemonade stand is 128 people. What if the number of people who visited the lemonade stand tripled? How many people could there be in 4 hours? Let's use this basic form again, and let's substitute these new values in. Here we have our initial value, 4. That didn't change. That was the number of people that first visited in that first hour. Now we're talking about tripling, so our growth value is 3, and we want to know after 4 hours. So we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. And so we have P equals 4 times 81. 4 times 81 is 324. So if the number of people visiting the lemonade stand tripled, in 4 hours, 324 people would have visited the lemonade stand. Notice that our exponent here is a 4, and on the other screen our exponent is a 5. To have exponential growth where things are getting greater and greater and greater and greater, you must have an x value that is greater than 1. This is a key point to remember as you think about exponential growth.